Welcome back, Michael. Oh, is that for me?
After hours, step by step.
Hope you had a good run.
Streetlight glow, easy breath.
Whoa, check out this mud. Fabric and soil level check completed. I'll wash it and dry it clean to match this fabric.
Bixby, open the fridge door.
Beef, and more beef. You didn't open a steakhouse without telling me, did you? A steak poke. Good. A balanced diet keeps you healthy.
Sorry to interrupt while you're working. I'll just clean up over here quietly. Oh, that's another masterpiece. Oops, spotted a tiny piece. No worries, taking a detour. I'll quickly cool down this stuffy room for you. Switching to silent wind-free mode, so it won't disturb your shoot. Oh, we can edit that out.
Enabling better living. Bespoke AI.